Hello friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80131500 in Windows 11 and 10 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all you have to go WS reset. Type here WS reset. After opening Microsoft Store, close this window. Go to the command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Click on yes to apply. Then type here sfc space / scan now. Then hit enter. Wait for 100%. After 100%, close this window. Open your Windows settings. Select here Windows Update. If there any update pending, then update your Windows. After doing this, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.